Guys, we are outside of 3050 Donley in Rochester Hills. We can come on in. The cleaning crew is working, so we're gonna work around them. But right when we walk in, before there used to be a big foyer thing right to my left, and we walled that off and added a third bedroom. So now instead of 2 bedrooms, we've got 3 in here. So we'll come in here, and this is our first one. Got a nice new closet, got some nice windows, a nice view of the front. And then across the hall is our second bedroom. Again, wonderful windows, even bigger closet in this one. And then we'll head over into the kitchen. You guys remember this was all red. So much better now. We've got the new granite counters, backsplash appliances, new cabinets, new LVP flooring. It looks 100 times better than it did when we first got this one, and it changed really fast. These guys knocked it out. We'll come on in here to the third bedroom, another closet, another nice window. That dumpster will not be there after this weekend. And then right around this corner, we've got the bathroom. It is super pretty in here. I'll let you go, not get in your way. But all new tile surround, new tub, vanity, mirror, toilet, new flooring in there. And then again, the best part of this house is this awesome, huge living room with the vaulted ceilings. We've got our staging furniture in here. And then I'm sure you remember from the last video, the laundry room is in that hallway back there, which we'll hang out here because the cleaning crew is working on it right now, but it is looking great. So if you know somebody that is interested in a house in Rochester, this one is gonna come on the market next week. We've just got a couple more things to do and it's ready to go. And then if you have a house or know somebody that has a house that would be interested in selling to get a rehab on, we can do no clean out, no repairs, sell it as is. Our number is 248-783-8009. Again, that's 248-783-8009. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.